So Cedar Point really said, what if we make a roller coaster, but first we emotionally damage them? Siren's Curse is North America's tallest, fastest, and longest tilt coaster built by Vekoma and introduced in 2025. And let me explain what that means in regular human terms. You climb a 160-foot tower thinking you're about to get a normal drop like Millennium Force or Maverick. Nope. The track literally ends. Like, finito. Finished. No more. Jesus, take the wheel. Your train rolls onto what looks like a broken piece of track, stops, and then that entire section slowly tilts you into a 90-degree vertical position so you can stare directly into Lake Erie and think about every life decision that led you there. Then, after your soul exits your body and hovers politely above your shoulders, the track locks into place and drops you into nearly 3,000 feet of track, speeds up to 58 miles per hour, 13 airtime moments, 2 full 360-degree zero-gravity barrel rolls, and a twisted triple-down element that feels like the ride is mad at you personally. The whole experience lasts about 2 minutes. But spiritually, that's a lifetime.